I see the earth as life. We got to take care of what takes care of us. I didn't grow up learning about farming. I had to teach myself and learn from others around me, people that were close around me, and picked it up that way. With all the advances in technology, I mean, we have lost our touch to the planet. I mean, everywhere you go, somebody's got their head in a cell phone. I mean, I'm not excluding myself from that. And being busy outside takes you away from that. Takes you away from that type of world, and you learn to appreciate the beauty of nature. The work's hard, but the reward that comes with the hard work that you see every day. When I go out there and I plant 25, 30,000 strawberry plants in less than 8 months, I'm gonna be reaping what I sowed. You're always facing a different problem every day. You never really have everything totally whipped. It's every day you learn something new. And that makes the job fun. I mean, you know, if you get up, repetition is the most boring thing to me that you could ever encounter. So farming fits me very well because I don't like repetition. I like to have a different challenge when I get up, and I like to see what the day brings after that. This is coming to the end of my senior year in high school, and I was looking for something to do to make money and not have to go to a job every single day. And just took off from there, and my dad and I jumped in head first, and we're doing it full time now.
Teaches you dedication, perseverance, commitment. You know, you decide you're gonna do this, you have to go in. You can't do it just halfway. It's either all or none. And one of the things I'm proud of him for, he's jumped in and decided he's gonna do it, and he's gone all or none, and he's all the way in.
With my dad being around here all of his life, teaching school and coaching football and basketball, there's not a whole lot of people we don't know in the whole county. Just kind of neat that we know everybody and everybody knows us, and we try to call everybody by name. This is the strawberry capital of the world, and at one time there was over 4,000 acres grown in Adair County. I met my wife in school at Kansas High School, and really didn't think that a guy like me had a chance with her, and asked her on a date, and it took off from there. And kind of the best thing ever, not kind of, the best thing that ever happened. Now we have a son, 7-month-old son named Boston. We were at the hospital and with him, and Casey's grandmother came in, and she gave him his Cherokee name, and his Cherokee name is Farmer, but the pronunciation is Digalogiski. It just kind of tickled me to death that she would give him a name like that. There's something about raising my son to be independent and learning how to make money on his own. I don't want to keep him away from anything. If he wants to do something different, that's perfectly fine, but I want him to see this side versus the corporate side of America, you know? it's important that my generation keeps this practice going. The average age of a farmer in the state of Oklahoma is 58.8 years old. And they're saying that the age will soon be over 65 before we know it. We're one of few Cherokee strawberry farmers around still. So for us to pass this down to another generation or introduce new people to this is really important to us, because we would like to see the name of Stillwell Strawberry carried on for years to come.